In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Autopilot to Webull. So the first thing you want to do is open up the Autopilot app, and then from here, this is the first page, it says Invest Like a Politician. Over here, you want to click on Explore Popular Portfolios at the very bottom. And over here, you'll then have to enter in your phone number. So after you do this, after you enter in your phone number, you'll have to click on Continue. So let me just do this really quickly. There we go. After that, you will have to put in your email address. So I'm just gonna type it in really quickly. There we go. And then you want to press continue. And then you want to enter in your full name. And then there we go. So after you enter in your actual details, what you have to do is click on Pick a Pilot at the very bottom. So just click on that. And then over here, you will have to then pick a portfolio. So you have different ones, of course. You can click explore more, and then you'll see different ones as well. So just pick one that suits you the best. Of course, I'm not going to tell you which one to pick over here. Just pick one that you think is good. So let me just actually pick one of these over here. There we go. And after you're happy, you want to pick select a tracker down here. So at the very bottom, as you can see, you want to click select, and then you can allow notifications if you want to. I'm not gonna, so I'm gonna skip for now. And then over here, there we go. It says connect your broker. So this is where you can actually connect Webull. And what you have to do is just click on Webull over here. It will start connecting, and then it says Autopilot connects to Webull using bank level security, and then you can see how they use the connection. You can click on continue, and then from here, what you have to do is very simple. You can switch between email and phone login, and after that, you can just put in your Webull login credentials, either the email login or the phone login, press connect, and just like this, you've successfully connected Webull with Autopilot. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.